working on spreading peace, health, and good fortune during the COVID-19 shutdown. Art students at Hilton Head Island High School are working on a special project together by connecting online with their teacher using a video conferencing program. The students are learning origami and folding paper cranes from home. In Japan, the crane is a symbol for long life and good health. The kids are hoping to fold 1,000 paper cranes and display them in the school when they return. The art students are also working on creating their own peace flags. The brightly colored flags are usually seen on mountain ridges in the Himalayas, spreading goodwill.
Art connects us personally and culturally. The Tibetan prayer flags and the peace cranes do just that in and of themselves with their inherent wishes of goodwill for everyone.
Over the weekend, the art teacher decorated the large anchor in front of the school with some peace flags.
Flip your crane upside down.
For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.
Push on the wings, and as you push, check out the top, and sometimes that helps to open it up.